Ay, coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2, 2, 3.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So this week's video was a bit all over the place, so before we go and show you the car, I'm just gonna sit you down real quick and just do a little bit of explaining on the entire process of the prep and spray work. So let me just sit you down quickly and then we can get to the car. So I basically just wanted to give you a quick overview of the whole entire process of the spray job, because I didn't really do much of that during this. I just filmed and let the camera roll. I didn't speak or explain anything, so I'm going to do that now. Yeah, we basically started on Monday. The car was prepped over the weekend, as you saw in the previous video. And then we started on Monday. We gave it a quick sand down. That was just to remove the clear coat so we can pick up all the imperfections like the rust and dents, scratches, stuff like that. Once that was done, we marked it off with a Koki so we could see all the imperfections and then know exactly where it was and allow us to repair that. What we did was we used body filler basically in all the scratches and dents after we knocked it out, and also we went with a wiper delete that we filled up with fiberglass and some body filler. So once everything was repaired and filled, like the area where the wiper used to be and the rust was repaired, and then we filled all the little scratches and dents that we came across, we had to body filler just to sand that down, and then we had to blow the surface clean. Obviously we didn't want any contaminants or dirt and stuff on the body that would not allow the primer to sit properly on the body. So after the primer, we wet sanded the car just to flatten the entire body and prep it for paint. After that, the car was ready for paint, and yes, I know that probably wasn't the best explanation. I'm not the best at this, but I tried. Yeah, so let me show you the car, and before I show you the car, I just want to let you know that I mentioned we a lot, but me and my daddy hardly did anything when it came to spraying the car. It was all down to Wade, and big ups to Wade. I'll leave his contact details down below if you'd like your car to be resprayed or any panel beating spray work done. Let's go see the car.
Flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, state your name, big been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything, swimming you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming, I put my low racks on it, I ain't skip past losses.
So here she is. I'm extremely impressed with how it turned out, seeing that it was done here in the garage and not at a professional like spray booth, even though that Wade is a professional spray painter. I'm just extremely impressed with how it came out. As you can see, this is where the rust was. We've gone with the wiper delete. So the color that we went with is similar to the burgundy that was previously. It's more of a candy apple red, though we asked him for some more silver speckle in it and also to lighten it a bit. So it's similar to burgundy, but I feel like it's more of a candy apple red type of color. If you look a bit closely here with the light, you can see that there is some extra pearl. So this is just the base coat. We did 3 coats of color. We still need to do a clear coat, so that needs to be done before we can start assembling, but you can see that the car has been done really nicely. I'm extremely impressed with how it came out. There's a few spots that needs to be touched up that didn't come out properly, but there's not many, but that will be fixed tomorrow. And then like I say, we will do 3 coats of clear over that as well, and then we can start putting everything back together. This is where we're currently at. The spoiler still needs to be sprayed. The bumpers are done already, and then obviously just the clear coat needs to go on, and then we can start assembling everything. So I got my hands on the spray, reason being I want to just spray the wipers and also the badge. If you look closely here on the wipers, you can see this is from the front wipers. It's like small pieces of corrosion and some rust areas, so I'm gonna give it a quick sand and then wipe it down with some thinners or brake cleaner, and then just give it a quick spray. And then I'm also going to do the same thing with the front badge. So what I'll be using is this gloss black spray, and then I've got some sandpaper as well. It's a 1500 grit, so very fine. I don't want too much scratches, if any, on the wipers. And then I've also got a rag just to wipe it down after I spray some brake cleaner on it. So that's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed. Next week, I think we should have everything assembled. So stay tuned for that. Until next week, peace.